We're just heading out to Muriwai to cook some steaks. We've got the steak in the back of Chris's truck.
Miss the old days, man. Still got the Range Rover. You'll go anywhere, then the question is, like, will she overheat?
Hello, Awa. You coming to the beach to eat some steak?
I love these trees, man. Look at this, like Jurassic Park. Hold on. Hold on to that apple. So this is a little bit soft. You might need to give it a little bit of food.
Easy. Nice car, Amber. Good choice. Just wait till we've got real tyres on today.
You got a spade?
I don't have a spade.
Could be a problem. Actually, I do, I think.
Oh, you got a handsaw?
You don't need a big hole, eh?
Well, the meat's going to be about that height.
Yeah.
I think maybe 700 mil for the whole. Deep? No. Width. And maybe a foot deep. So we bought 3 Tomahawk steaks from Butcher Jack's. We're going to drill a hole in the bone, put a coat hanger through it, hang it on like a tripod above our fire, leave it there for a little while, and then finish it by searing it on the charcoal.
This kid has no fear.
When I grow up, I want to be as cool as you, Awa. Nice hole.
You got your blowtorch again?
No, I just brought matches.
Oh, what the fuck? Next video, you guys start it with sticks like this. We got like paper or anything?
Darkness nearly drowned me and the sunlight low, don't it burn my...
I don't know if I've ever said this before, but for $50 from 1 to 10, you can get these really sweet blowtorches. Make fires really easy.
Why didn't you bring your blowtorch?
It's not working so well, is it?
There we go. Just gonna do it on the boot there.
I'm gonna do it on the hood of your truck.
Fuck off.
Is this all you brought?
What do you mean? It's like 3 kilos of beef.
Maybe some potatoes, a bit of nice.
She wants potatoes.
That's what Amber said. She's like, what are you gonna have with the steak?
Hey,
and I was like,
see, Amber knows.
no.
You're on the wrong channel.
Got such a long, long way to go. I got to lay down.
I just want to be the dude that drops these on the sand.
That would be a real shame. Alright, we're going home.
Yeah.
Unless we can catch a fish.
That lonesome road.
Shit smells good.
Where the darkness nearly drowned
You guys
me.
are cool kipper, right?
The sunlight burned my eyes. This valley is much too deep. Mountain so very high, I gotta lay down and rest, or I can take another step down this lonesome road.
I'm gonna do something to make them stay separate from each other.
Long, long way to go.
What he's doing, but he's got a plan. I just want to see more donuts. Where's he off to? So Chris is gone, so I would like to introduce you to my channel. I'm Captain Alex. We're going to be cooking some steaks.
We obviously just brought him for the thumbnail.
I think Awa has the right attitude.
Chris really wasn't happy with the tripod method, so I've done this. I think it's going to work. It'd be a real shame if our meat fell into the sand though. Sorry, man.
Now we need more firewood before this goes out.
Awa, smile! We weren't getting enough heat out of our fire, so we've lowered it a little bit.
Drowned me. The sunlight burned my eyes.
First little morsel for Faye, who's very hungry.
Mountain so very high, I gotta lay down here and rest, or I can take another step down this lonesome road. Well, my cup is nearly empty. I got such a
If we were really out in the wilderness, this would be so cheating. Because we're being a little bit impatient, the fire was really hot, so the bottom is 120 degrees, the top is only about 90 degrees. So we've pushed all the fire off to one side so that it's less direct with the bottom, and hopefully we don't burn it quite as badly.
That's perfect. Oh, fuck.
A bit closest to the fire is perfect, and the other end is not ready, so we're gonna do this. This is a bit hoary.
Hope you can't hear me chewing meat right now. It's delicious.
There we go. That's how we're gonna finish the other side. Is it good?
It's working.
This is called the
There you go, Faye.
ITM hot plate.
Hey. Oh.
128. That's like textbook medium rare. Yeah.
Should we rest it?
Yeah. Top.
That is beautiful. It's been 10 minutes. You're like, cut one up.
Ah, perfect. Ah.
Yummy.
Hello. Oh, hello. Oh no, sounds.
Hello, Awa.
Meat.
Like this?